Hello viewers, again welcome. Today I'm going to show you very beautiful jute craft and burlap craft bottle recycle idea, and we gives you the best ideas and try to bring for you the best ideas for our viewers and our crafters. So in this video you're gonna watch very beautiful and interesting designs of burlap craft. Water recycle is the best part. Water recycle is necessary for our planet, for our earth, for ocean, because every trash go we're gone through, and you never know where this gone. So it gone on ocean, and it's spread pollution. So it's a cause of pollution, and bottle recycle is very necessary for our planet. In this video we tell you about this topic, so stay tuned with us, watch till the end, and if you like the video, if you like the topic, so don't forget to subscribe, like and share if you want to watch. So these bottles you can recycle. These bottles, don't throw away jams bottle and pickle bottle. Very beautiful and amazing designs these are, and you can make it with simple and easy step. We will tell you, this is very important for our earth. So don't throw away your bottles. Make some trash into treasure. Make some ordinary piece turn into extraordinary piece. So these designs are very impressive. Hope you like the all designs. First of all, I would like to thanks to all of women who commenting on my channel and for their good words. For may your life stay blessed, full of happiness. This video is about, let's begin. How to recycle your old bottles, all jars turn into beautiful, and trash turn into treasure. So viewers, take some glue gun, some burlap craft, and add some beads, lace and jute rope, and make these ideas from your mind and make some craft, some different, some artistic things. So viewers, in this video we're gonna show you very beautiful and interesting designs of bottle recycle ideas. Very beautiful designs. In this video we show you very beautiful and interesting designs and ideas. These designs are very popular and very impressive in our society now is going to, because recycle is very necessary for our planet, our ocean. Everybody needs that, because trash bottle, nobody knows where gone, what happened with that, and it stayed in ocean and planets 100 years. So don't throw away bottle and recycle it. Use message jars. Make your centerpiece. Make a candlelight holder. Make whatever you can do, you will do. You have to do, and it's a good thing for our planet. Hope you like the designs and ideas. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. We will try to upload most design and most popular, easiest way of doing this. And this time to make some asset and make some craft, some different types of things, different ideas, craft and make something unique. So viewers, hope you like the ideas and designs. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. These are very beautiful designs. Bottle recycle is healthiest thing for our planet. So viewers, you are absolutely right. Recycled bottle is one of the most healthiest and most sustainable choices for our planet. Reduces waste, fewer bottles end up in landfills and oceans. Saves energy. Recycling glass or plastic uses far less energy than producing new materials. Protects wildlife. Prevents animals from ingesting plastic waste. Conserves resources. Cuts down in raw material extractions like sand, oil and minerals. Cleaner environment. Keeps our neighborhoods and nature free from pollutions. So I think these tips is good for you to understand what is healthy for our planet. Cleaner communities, less litter means healthier, more beautiful surroundings. Public awareness. Recycling encourages people to live more mindfully and responsibility. Say future. A healthier planet today ensures clean air, water, and soil for future generation. Fun fact: recycling just one glass bottle saves enough energy to power a 100-watt light bulb for 4 hours. So, viewers, what do you think about that? Circular economy. Recycled bottle can be turned into new bottles, clothing, fiber, furniture, or even bulbing materials. Recycling saves money for industries and communities by reducing raw material costs. Cost saving. Recycling saves money for industries and communities by reducing raw material costs. Lower carbon footprint. Each recycled bottle helps saves energy that would otherwise be used in production. Ocean protection. Plastic bottles are a major source of marine pollution. Recycling keeps them out of rivers and seas. Less pollution. Recycling bottles reduces greenhouse gas emissions compared to making new ones. So these tips are enough for you, or we are telling more. So we will try to upload best and good ideas. So plastic bottles are major source of marine pollution. Recycling keeps them off river and seas. Keeps them out of rivers. So viewers, thank you for watching my video. Have a very nice and beautiful day. Stay blessed. Keep shining like a star. Keep crafting. Keep making something different and unique. So these designs are very useful and beautiful. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. We would like to thanks for you for watching our video, and don't forget to comment. Don't forget